Hello guys, welcome to Lavish Tales. Today I am going to tell another interesting story. And today's title of the story is Four Candles. Here it was a dark night. The shadow is all around. Only one room was published. And there is four candles burning in that room. Here four candles started talking among them by seeing their solitude. So here first candle telling like this, I am very peace, but when I see this world, I am very sad. Why? Because the world is full of abruptness, violence, lies, many things. So I don't want to live in this place. So I am going. By saying these words, he started executing. So then second candle telling like this, I am believer, but by seeing this world, I am very sad. Why? Because this world is full of deceptions, lies, frauds, dishonest. Like this, many things are in our world. So I think I am not fit to this world. So I want to leave this place. By saying this, the second candle also started executing. Then third candle is telling like this, I am a love. But nowadays, no one having a love towards their loving ones. No one are thinking about their loved ones. They always used to think about themselves like selfish. They don't want to serve the others, help the others. The only one thing running in their mind is to earn money and to think that every people as business. It means they deals with everyone for their business. In every word, they used to earn something. It's not a good thing, right? So the third candle is decided to extinguish. At the same time, when the third candle is extinguishing, the person whose birthday today, he entered to that room, and he was so sad to see that candles. Why? Because he lightened four candles, but there only one candle is lighted. It's burning. By seeing that, that kid was too sad. Some tears came out of his eyes. It's like a bumper on his happiness. So he was too sad. At the same time, fourth candle is burning, right? Then that candle suggested him like this, yeah, don't worry, I am here. If you want to light all the candles, you have to do one thing. You can light them with the help of me. I have a burning light. You can light every candle with my light. Like this, it suggests to that boy. And it's saying like this, they are not burned till end, they are executed, right? So you can easily light them. They are with you. So you can do anything with those. But you should have one thing, hope. It means here the story guys about the fourth candle is hope. When you have hope, you can return love, faith, anything, what you want. But you should have one thing, hope. When you lose hope, that means that is the end of your life. You get depressed. But never depressed, guys. When you have hope, then start working on that. Then start having faith, love, and without deception, without lies, without discrimination. Try to do one thing. Be hope. That's today's my story, guys. If you like this video, hit a like button. If you have any questions or suggestions, please mention those in our comment box. Keep smiling, keep satisfied.